In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fade transition in CapCut Desktop. First, go ahead and open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program is fully loaded, either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one ready to edit. The goal here is simply to get into your editing workspace so you can begin working with your clips. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. Since transitions are used to connect one clip to another, you'll need at least 2 clips placed in your project. After adding them, make sure the clips are positioned right next to each other on the timeline with no gaps in between. This is important because if there's empty space between the clips, the transition may not behave the way you expect. Once your clips are aligned properly, look at the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library, where CapCut stores all the available transition effects you can use in your project. To make things faster and easier, click the search box and type Fade. Then give CapCut a moment to display the search results. When the results appear, locate the available fade transitions and find the one called Black Fade. This is the specific transition you'll be using. If it hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to complete. Depending on your connection and system speed, this usually only takes a few moments. After the transition is ready, add it between your 2 clips by clicking the plus button or by dragging the black fade transition directly onto the cut between the clips. Then wait for the transition to appear on the timeline. Once it's visible, you'll know it has been placed correctly. If needed, adjust the transition duration. This lets you control how quickly or slowly the fade happens. A shorter duration will make the transition feel faster and sharper, while a longer duration creates a smoother, more gradual fade. Choose the timing that best fits the pacing of your video. Finally, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the point where the 2 clips meet and confirm that the fade transition has been successfully applied. If it looks smooth and natural, then you're done. And that's how to add a fade transition in CapCut Desktop.